Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ikramul Haq Shubho. Today our presentation topic is about designing an earthquake detector circuit using piezoelectric and 555 timer IC. We have a team of 5 members in this project. MD Abdullah Rafi, Al-Rabbi Sifat, Aishadin Jannat, Vishal Roy and myself. Introduction. Earthquake causing widespread damage and loss of life. Early detection of earthquake is minimize the damage caused by them. Traditional earthquake detection methods such as accelerometer can be expensive and complex to implement. However, with the advancement in technology, it has become possible to build earthquake detector circuit using simple electronic components, such as piezoelectric sensor and 555 timer. The primary object of this project is demonstrate how to build low-cost and easy to implement earthquake detector circuit that can be provide early warning signal and help to minimize damage and loss of life. The project uses a piezoelectronic sensor to convert mechanical vibration into electrical signal. Those signals are the pursued by a 555 timer circuit to generate an alert signal. By using accessible technology, this circuit can be cost-effective solution for detecting earthquake in earthquake-prone areas. This project can be contribute to the global effort to mitigate the impact of earthquake on human life and infrastructure. Material required. Firstly, a piezoelectronic sensor is necessary to convert mechanical vibration into electronic signal. We also need a 555 timer IC, which is commonly used integrated circuits in timing and oscillation circuit. In addition, several capacitor and resistor are needed to determine the frequency of the output of signal from the 555 timer. LED and buzzer are also necessary to provide visual and audio alert. To assemble the circuit, a breadboard is required along with the connection wire to establish the necessary connection between the components.
Hello everyone, I'm MD Abdullah Rafi. Well, I'm going to talk about piezoelectric sensor. Well, the definition of piezoelectric sensor. Uh, a sensor which works on the principle of piezoelectricity is known as a piezoelectric sensor. Where piezoelectricity is a phenomenon where electricity is generated if mechanical stress is applied to a material. Not all materials have piezoelectric characteristics. Well, now I'm going to talk about the specification of piezoelectric sensors. Well, some of the basic characteristics of piezoelectric sensors are the range of measurement, sensitivity, reliability. Now, if we talk about the range of measurement, actually, this range is subject to measurement limits, and in case of sensitivity, which is denoted as S, ratio of change in output signal, which is denoted as del y, to the signal that caused the change, which is denoted as del x, and the equation stands is equal to del y divided by del x. Uh, and the last one, the reliability. This accounts to the sensor's ability to keep characteristics in certain limits under set operational conditions. Besides these, some of the specifications of piezoelectric sensors are a threshold of reaction errors, a time of indication, etc. Well, now I'm going to talk about the applications of piezoelectric sensors. Piezoelectric sensors are used for shock detection. And the second one is the active piezoelectric sensors are used for thickness gauge flow sensors. Uh, Passive piezoelectric sensors are used microphones, accelerometers, musical pickups, etc. Piezoelectric sensors are also used for ultrasound imaging, and these sensors are used for optic measurements, micro moving measurements, electroacoustic, etc. So this is all about what is a piezoelectric sensors, properties, specifications. These simple use sensors find a place in various applications. Well, 555 timer integrated circuit, the most important component that we used in our project. 555 timer is a digital monolithic integrated circuit, uh, which may be used as a clock generator. In other words, 555 timer is a circuit which may be connected as a stable or non-stable multivibrator. In more simple words, 555 timer is a monolithic timing circuit which can produce accurate timing pulses with 50% or 100% duty cycle. Now I'm going to talk about the features of 555 timer integrated circuit. There are two types of 555 timer based on its nomenclature. One is the NE 555 timer and the other one is the SE 555 timer. It can be operated off different power supplies ranging from 5 volts to 18 volts. It can be used either as a pulse generator or an oscillator by operating it in different nodes. The name 555 comes from the fact that it contains three 5 kilo ohm resistors in series to form the voltage divider pattern. It can drive both transistor logic due to its high output current and CMOS logic circuits. It has a high output current and adjustable duty cycle. Triple five timer can be operated in both astable and monostable modes. The output of 555 timer can source or absorb current up to 200 milliampere, sinking or sourcing current to the load. 555 timer is available as an 8-pin dual in line package or 8-pin metal can or 14-pin dual in line package. So as you can see, here is a diagram given of 555 timer integrated circuit, which consists of 8 pins, and the names of the pins are given as well. So yeah, my part is done. Thank you.
We have taken a 9-volt battery and also take a IC for regulate the voltage. Here we used physioelectronics which will convert mechanical signal to the electrical signal. In case of earthquake which is connected to IC input, the number is 2 Opm. The IC will take 9 volt input and send it to Opm as a 5 volt regulator. The 9 volts from the battery, is divided into two parts by two resistor and taken as a input to Opm number 3. Between Opm 4.5 and 5 volt, which voltage is higher, will send 555 timer. Here we have used transistors. For smooth voltage. 555 timer has two inputs as input and active as output 3, and active the lights up and speaker sounds. Input 4 and 5 are shorts. The number 8 VCC power ground, number 1 output 6 output 6 resistor connected and output 7 capacitor connected.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Aishatin Jannat. Now I am going to talking about some advantages and disadvantages of an earthquake detector circuit using piezoelectricity. An earthquake detector circuit using piezoelectricity is designed to detect vibration caused by an earthquake. Piezoelectric materials generate a voltage when they subjected to mechanical stress or vibration, making them ideal for detecting seismic waves. Here are some advantages of using this type of circuit. Piezoelectric materials can detect even a small vibration caused by earthquakes, making them highly sensitive detectors. Uh, it has some low cost. Piezoelectric materials are relatively inexpensive, making them a cost effective solution for earthquake detection. The circuit can detect the seismic waves in real time, providing a quick time for early warning system. The circuit is easy to install and can be incorporated into existing uh, devices. Now I am going to talking about some disadvantages of using this circuit. It has some limited detection range. The circuit can only detect seismic waves in its immediate vicinity, making it less effective for large-scale earthquake detection. It has some disadvantages for false alarms. The circuit can be triggered by the other vibration or movement, resulting in false alarms. Piezoelectric materials are sensitive to temperature changes, which can affect their performance. The circuit requires regular maintenance to ensure proper functioning, which is time consuming and costly. Overall, this advantage of using an earthquake detector circuit using piezoelectric disadvantage, making it a viable option for earthquake detection in certain applications. Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to present this slide.
Thank you, Aishatin Jannat. I am Bishal Roy. Now I am talking about the discussion. At present, earthquake is one of the most terrible natural disaster. Turkey is the example of terrible natural disaster. But the way piezoelectricity and 555 timer is the solution to reduce damage of earthquake. An earthquake is what happens when two blocks of the earth suddenly slip past one another. The surface where they slip is called the fault or fault plane. For early regression build an earthquake regression circuit, piezoelectricity and 555 primer helps. Piezoelectricity is the ability of certain materials to generate an electric charge in response to material stress. 555 timer is the popular in-generate circuit. The piezoelectric sensor connects to trigger pin of 555 timer. The 555 timer then generates a signal, then can be used to active alarm system. Now I am talking about the conclusion. Through 555 timer detects ground motion as soon as an earthquake begins and quickly send alerts that a tremor is on its way, giving people crucially seconds to prepare. In this conclusion, an earthquake detect circuit using piezoelectricity and 555 timer can be an effective way to detect seismic wave and alert people of an impending earthquake. This circuit is easily to build and can be useful in earthquake-prone areas. With the right pawns and proper collaboration, this circuit can be save life and prevent damages caused by earthquake. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.